Yo, wait. Is this the America update? Yo, look, it's John America. Let's go talk to him. Hello, it's me, John America. To unlock the firework / super firework sword, use the kill streak sword and get a 5 kill streak. I've equipped it to you. Okay, cool. Good luck. I don't need luck, I got skill. Alright, let's try to get it now. Hopefully it's not too hard. I think they had to nerf kill streak. I'm pretty sure that's what they said in their changelog. Ooh, look, that board is like America themed. I think this whole lobby is also American themed. Anyways, let's go. Okay, yeah, there's a pebble here. I think they also buffed pebble mastery. It's probably gonna be annoying, but I think I'm gonna survive. Pretty sure I will.
Cheeseburger, 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 cheeseburger.
Oh, he just let me kill him, I guess. Anyways, that's 2. Hey guys, just a little update. I officially hate Pebble now more than ever. It's so annoying, honestly. Yo, wait, there's a 4 kill streak and there's a guy right over here. I'm gonna try to kill him now, because that's honestly my best chance of getting firework. And I'm on low HP. Hold on. Wait, actually, it's clutch this. Okay, block. Please, please, please. Yo, wait. This actually could be it. This is the run. Come on, 3. Let's go! Firework. Good morning, USA. Let's do this. Let's do this. I mean, let's go. I did it. Sorry, I'm getting my voice and stuff now. Anyway, someone kill me now. I don't want to let these kills go to waste. I'm gonna let someone else. Got someone else. Firework. There it is in all of its glory. The fireworks. Okay, let's just equip it. And I wonder where the super fireworks are. Let's try to get to all the way up. I don't think there's a kill barrier here. Okay, no, there's not a kill barrier. It just starts the void. Should be able to get did myself over there. Okay, yeah, actually, this isn't as exciting as I thought it would be, honestly, but, I mean, I made it. I mean, it's lonely, but I, made it. I've gone to where I couldn't have gone before. Land of the free, home of the brave. Wait, this actually might be a good outro. Wait, this is a good outro place. Hold on. I think I just found my new outro, position. Hold on. Let me explore more. Is there some kind of secret? There's a ladder here. I mean, that's not so exciting, but, like, I can't believe I actually made it. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.